jails to correctionate homes. Correctionate homes. What correction is being done, is being attempted? Has it been audited? Has it been checked? Has it been verified in when the incumbent is put to normal life? It may happen he has done a pickpocketing and undergoing 6 months jail and comes out, never does pickpocketing, but creates such a group that everybody does. Instead of one, there are several. No, I don't do. I am changed in the books of law. Now treat me how you treat. This is the type of revenge he may take. I'm not saying just an example. So people has to be psychologically developed. Mentally, psychology, सोच का विचारधारा, the pattern of thinking. So thinking comes from mentality. Mentality is the attraction of doing, of deeds. So when mentality continues, it affects to motivation or demotivation. That does or does not does the deeds. Deeds done, presented, maybe not represented, but to other people. But this forms the psychology. So the first change is to be in psychology, through mentality. The thinking process has to be changed. How much of it has been changed? I came across some outsiders of chains in Genesis, and in a gossip I just learned from them, where has been put inside bar forcefully. I came to know that nothing regarding mentality, mental treatment, not psychological, mental treatment is done to them. Given to see films of patriotism in nature, infrastructure has been developed, proper it is seen that clothes never smell and things like that. But that's not at all wanted. That is like, come and stay with us for another 6 months, we will provide you free fooding, lodging, etc., etc. Accepting that you cannot go out, you cannot practice religion, you cannot mix in the society, but we will give you provide a guest this thing. That is not wanted. I mean, that cannot be. So for correction, one has to understand what is the ideal situation. Ideal situation is different from a perfect situation. A perfect situation is an ideal situation for every element of judgment at every point of time, which is not possible. I am from a very poor family. Suppose I have 3 brothers, 2 sisters, 1 mother and 1 father. Mother is ill and we are so poor that I cannot provide him medicine, and without the medicine he is going to die, and the whole family is going to suffer. No one to cook the food, no one to look after us. What will happen? And father is not here and earnings are not there. I steal a bottle of medicine. Giving that, my mother becomes well and everything is good. But I am put to jail for that stealing, which is illegal. Then law is not interpreting me as per just. Therefore, that may be the ideal situation of not stealing, but not the perfect situation of judgment. Judgment is ideal as per law, but not perfect. Therefore, there are rulings passed by court judges, honorable judges, and these rulings are a part of amended acts like that. So, the point is that the mentality is what is the reason. That is why cognizance, non-cognizance, bona fide, malafide, these things come in. But this can be represented pictorially by saying false or preventing to say the truth or pseudo saying the truth or pseudo suppressing the false by that incumbent or the investigating authority or so. Therefore, judgment changes from lower court to higher court. This is not acceptable. Except that a particular evidence was not available, which became available, and there the non-availability has no bona fide, malafide or suppressive cause or reason, but happened to so much things like that. So that's the issue. Now, my point is regarding correctional at homes. My point is regarding correctional at homes. So there has to be audit, there has to be understanding as whether the real correction has been done or not. A correction, if it is rooted deep and proper and real, then it will spread the news of correction. It will be a happy living, and this happiness will be shared by spreading others. Come, correct yourself. That is rectification. That is the ideal situation. But that does not happen because we are not concerned when the incumbent goes out, he is repeating or not repeating, and maybe not repeating the same in a separate state or separate district or through other means. We are not concerned whether he is corrected or not. Therefore, all crime offenders, are they psychological patients? No. They have done unjust for certain reason. That does not mean that they are psychologically ill. But it means that they should not do it again. In a psychological home, it is a psychological sickness. But it is not a sickness. If not properly corrected or rectified, then it might become a sickness. That is serial crime, serial killer, serial crime, like that, organized crime, etc. So, I want to put up this question: how to do proper correction for undoers judged as undeserving in eyes of laws. I cannot solve it alone. There needs to be case studies. There needs to be theorists from separate experience, knowledge, region to sit together, discuss, and attempt for a better and better society and a richer quality of mankind and humanity. So this is what are my views and concerns regarding correction at homes at present. I should mention one thing, the black side of prisons, correction at homes. In the prisons, there operates a gang or a group which is now almost crushed but not totally, as per the information I obtained from there. These are concerned with easy earning. Cigarettes not allowed? Money? I will give you cigarette. Please, jailer, that side, don't come here. You, guards, off, get this money, off, let him smoke. But does this money come from? Suppose that this person, jailed person, was a very good supporter of a particular political party, and he has to return in that party also. Then the party holder provide his money, keep him safe over there, happy over there, so that he does not revolve against it. And in case he revolves against it, then he will be gone. He knows all the hidden facts. Therefore, stay calm. Money turned up. One done, others tried also done. This has been reduced to a greater extent, but still is there in operation. Number one. Number two, that I came across is beatings or physical tortures done on the prisoners for compulsory purpose. You have to message that person because he needs to it. You have to sexually satisfy that person in the dark, in the corner. I'll give you the place for doing it because he wanted you and he has a high hold. Now the government employees, guards are forced to do accept this, keeping their mouths shut because of their salary, life leading. There is no way to do go against. There is no human rights over there that could be implemented because no one to give this thing witness. So every portion of the jail has to be CCTV except the bathrooms, and the bathrooms has to be separated. I have seen an foreign cinema. I think it was named in a Chinese term like chung fi something like that. It meant in English words the life of prisoners in prison. Over there it is shown that prisoners are prisoned and then they are given a common bath where homosexuality happens as a normal course of emotional outburst and sometimes as a domination factor of others' wish, and outsiders also step in to get them enjoyed free of charge as per their need. There is rooms for that also. It was a Chinese film. I don't know. Don't remember whether it was filmed by a Chinese or whatever. It has Chinese writings on it. Then there is a master who ties their feet on the bench and does what is called, I don't know, but beats on the feet this thing. মানে যাই বলে পায়ের পাতা, I don't know, there's a particular term which was shown, some B something that I don't know, remember, so that they cannot walk, go to the bathroom. This makes them so fearful that they have to obey everything as said. And sometimes on the whims of this master or whatever jailer or whatever, I don't know, he also used them for enjoyment or used them to get enjoyed by others. This was the sexual crime over there. So there was an outburst, a revolution, but nothing could be done because everything was locked and this. So one did a certain trickery. He appeared to be seducing the person, and then when got into his room, just gave him such a push from such an angle that his head hit on the nail, and he was bleeding unconscious. Took the keys, went off, unkeyed all this thing by some trickery method, and few of them just got out, and they by hammering the guards to unconsciousness freed the all, and next Jay broke the main prison and went off. I mean tried to went off. They were just going to break the main prison and the story ended, film ended. This was in London foreign film festival. So that gave me the idea of doing some research on this topic, and that is when I approached Lokesh Ramanujam. What do you mean by correction? We are all here for correction by God. He also said, quoted Swamiji when he said that earth is like a gym where you come to correct yourself. These things, discussions came. Then I came to the cinema of V. Santaraman, a South Indian, well-reputed director and actor also. He has been awarded by the government of India at that time. Do Aankhe Bada Haath, which speaks of a prison without any boundaries. It allows, you can go through it. I have a portion of the song Hai Malik Tere Bande Hum in my website also, which allows people to mix with the society but always keeps a watch. and then teaches him what is wrong, what is right, in direct or indirect manner. So, a little more in the next video.